In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use make.com for automation. Make.com is a powerful tool for automating workflows by connecting various apps and services. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to streamline repetitive tasks, make.com can save you both time and effort. To get started, you'll first want to create a new scenario. This acts as your workspace for building the automation. Once you're in, look for the prominent plus button and give it a click. This will allow you to search for the app you'd like to use as part of your automation. Make.com supports a wide range of applications, including Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Airtable, Notion, OpenAI, Calendly, Go High Level, and webhooks, among many others. Selecting the right trigger is crucial because, essentially, it defines the event that will kick off your automation. For instance, this could be when a new email arrives, when a form is submitted, a Calendly booking is created, or a new Airtable record pops up. Let's say you choose Gmail. Watch emails is a common trigger used here. Triggers are your starting point, the first step in making your workflow happen. Next, it's time to connect your apps. You'll click on Create a Connection. Then you'll go through the process of logging in to the respective app, authorizing Make.com to access your account, and finally saving this connection. Don't worry, Make.com supports thousands of apps, providing flexibility to automate just about any process you can think of. Now comes the part where you add actions to your scenario. Next to your trigger, press the plus sign to add actions. Actions are the tasks that occur once your trigger is activated. Depending on your needs, you might want to send a Slack message, add a new row in Google Sheets, create a contact in your CRM, call an OpenAI API, or even send out a webhook. Consider a flow where you start with the webhook, move on to OpenAI, then involve Google Sheets, and end with a Slack notification. This sequence can be customized to fit a variety of needs. Mapping data is the next step and involves transferring information between modules. Make.com facilitates this by allowing you to visually click on fields to map variables. For example, the subject of an email might automatically become your Slack message's text, or the form's name might populate the CRM contact field. Adding logic, such as filters and routers, refines the workflow. Filters ensure a process runs only if certain conditions are met, like a lead score being above 80. Routers help determine where the data should go based on specific conditions. New customers might be directed to the sales team, while existing ones head towards support. Testing your workflow is crucial. Hit Run once and manually trigger the workflow by sending an email, submitting a form, or triggering a webhook. Make.com provides a live execution view so you can see each step as it occurs. Finally, after successful testing, you'll want to turn your automation on. By opening up the scheduling settings and flipping the switch from off to on, your automation will now run automatically, making life just a bit easier.